In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search your LinkedIn history. With so many interactions, messages, and connections happening every day, it's easy to lose track of important pieces of information you've encountered on LinkedIn. Luckily, LinkedIn has a feature that allows you to dive back into your history, ensuring you're not missing out on reconnecting with a potential collaborator or revisiting a job posting that caught your eye a while ago. Let's get started. First things first, you need to access LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and go to the LinkedIn website. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted with two options to sign in. Sign in with Google, or the option to continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Choose the one that applies to you. Occasionally, LinkedIn will ask you to complete a CAPTCHA as an extra security measure to verify your identity. This step is quite straightforward and ensures your account remains secure. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find your profile photo, which is essentially the gateway to your personal settings and account information on LinkedIn. Click on your profile photo to proceed to the next step. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. This takes you to a dashboard where you can adjust various settings related to your account, including privacy and data management, which is exactly where we need to be. Once in the Settings and Privacy section, navigate to the Data Privacy category. You can find this on the left-hand side of the screen, listed among other options. The Data Privacy section is where LinkedIn aggregates all settings that pertain to how your data is handled and who has access to it. Finally, within the Data Privacy settings, there's an option labeled Search History. When you click on Search History, LinkedIn will display a list of your recent searches. This includes profiles you've viewed, keywords you've searched for, and even companies or jobs you may have explored. And that's how you can effortlessly access your search history on LinkedIn. This feature is incredibly useful for backtracking on your activity, especially if you've forgotten the name of a person or organization you wanted to reach out to. Remember, regularly clearing your search history can also help in managing your privacy effectively on the platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more LinkedIn tips and tricks. Until next time.